Steve seems a little worried because Steve gets a text from his sister and the text mentions an emergency and Steve is worried and Steve is out of the house. And Steve hopes that nothing too crazy has happened and Steve is with his friend Eric and Steve hopes that everything is okay. Then Steve tries to contact his sister Elena and Elena picks up the call and Steve asks Elena about the emergency and Elena is asking Steve for her car keys and Steve is surprised by this question and Steve has the car keys and Steve wants to know what Elena is trying to tell and then Elena tells Steve that someone is in Steve's car but Elena does not know for sure what is in Steve's car but Elena must have sent someone's present in Steve's car and Steve also gets confused by Elena's words who could be in my car and Elena is sure that there is someone in the car and Elena thought that maybe Steve is in the car but Steve is outside the house with Eric and Steve has also parked the car outside and Steve is shocked who could be in the car and Steve is getting surprised and worried about this and Steve hopes that Elena has some illusion and again Steve gets caught in a new trouble. Then Steve thinks that he should quickly go home and see who is in the car. And Eric also has no idea what will happen with Steve's car. Then Steve reaches home and Steve hopes that there is no one in the car. Then Eric and Steve go to the car and Steve feels that there is someone in the car and when he looks closely this person is Michael Sanchez who is the stalker and he is sleeping in the car and Steve is shocked to see what the stalker is doing in the car and then Steve tries to wake up the stalker and Steve unlocks the car and gets the stalker out of the car and the stalker does not know anything about where I am and the stalker is acting like he is asleep and Steve tries to ask the stalker how the stalker got the address of the house and the stalker tells that a girl named Ariana told Steve the address of Steve's house and Steve is surprised how the stalker knows Ariana but the stalker does not remember anything properly. And the stalker is asking Steve for money and the stalker promises Steve that he will go back after getting the money and then Steve also has to give the stalker money to get rid of the stalker and the stalker also goes back.